Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm back again with another video with the title, you know what you're about to watch. But before then, if you're new to this channel, please do hit that red subscribe button down there and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. You can come and check it out. Today's video, when I want to talk about now, this saga between Okoro Blessing and Simply Tasha.
I quickly want to address something because I know I have a lot of tigers, like they call them. Is it titans? Tigers? Because I call them tigers because most of them are animals. I intentionally call them tigers because they are all animals. I've not seen one sensible person. The sensible ones don't talk. People that support tigers, titans, whatever they call themselves, the reasonable, useless ones that don't have sense, I'm addressing this to them on a live video so that they can see that this is live, this is Blessing CEO live. I want to remind you guys something. Before you come to my DM to write trash, before you come to my DM to tell me that Blessing CEO is jealous of Tasha, I've asked people this question before. People say I'm envious of her, I'm hateful of her, I'm this one of that, I'm da. That's what you guys came to say. And I asked you guys very quick, a very clear question. Who the Tasha? This is not a hateful comment. This is not a hateful video. This is not an envy video. It's a realistic video. Who is Tasha? Tasha is just the only thing that is on top of Tasha's head that gives her pride is Big Brother. Take away Big Brother from that girl's head, she's a nobody. She's a freak. I'm saying it on a lie. She's a freaking nobody. She can't stand where some people can stand. People that she's running her mouth to call. Who she be? When it comes to Angelo Okoro, who is Tasha? I don't know about Jaruma. I don't know anything about it. But when it comes, who is Tasha? So because she go Big Brother, make everybody is she the first? Can you guys completely disrespect everybody just because you have a favorite? It's irritating. Call a spade a spade. Una day they fight everybody we want talk. Una go they insult person. But this your queen was chaser before she went to Big Brother. But when she went to before she went for Big Brother, the word cloud chasing wasn't very rampant on social media. But she was a cloud chaser. What does Tasha do before she went for Big Brother? Either she's twerking and selling a market, or she's calling somebody out, or she's insulting somebody, or she's being blunt about somebody. That's what she does on social media. Have you guys forgotten so soon? So what do you guys expect when she comes out and be in the public eye? I don't get it. Well, let me keep the camera so that you guys can see me very well. So what do you guys expect? This video is going to pain some people this morning. What do you expect when she come out to be in the public eye? Any small thing people get to say, we hate Tasha, you're calling her out, you are envious. What is there to envy about Tasha? Let's be realistic. There is absolutely nothing to envy about Tasha. The only thing she has a bloody fan base. And those are fan base, they don't have sense. They are bloody, I call them bloody fan base. I rather have 100 reasonable followers than have 1 million foolish bunch of people. I call them foolish people. So I don't bloody care about her fan base. Take away Instagram. Because anybody that wants to endorse Tasha, right, let's endorse her because of her Instagram page. Outside Instagram, who do you think wants to associate with Tasha? All those things are clouds. So I'm begging you people, nobody is envying her because she's a bloody nobody. I've not seen Linda Ikeji to envy. I've not seen Moa Budu. I've not seen successful women. What do I want to envy about Tasha? Each time most of her fans come to my page or they come to my DM to say Rob, I'll just be wondering, what is there to envy about this girl? Like, I don't get it. Like, what's there? Is it her 1 million followers? If I want to buy 1 million followers, now I will buy it. You can buy followers and increase. Okay, I quickly want to analyze this thing. You put say Tasha is successful. Let me quickly give you an analysis. This is not hate. This is facts. Tasha went to Big Brother House having 361,000 followers, right? Good. And she came out of Big Brother House. Now, according to them, she's 1 million followers. Whether she bought the followers, whether she did not buy the followers, I don't know. Let's assume she has 1 million followers. Minus 361 from 1 million. This is 1 million. You minus 361. She has, let's say, 740 something followers. Automatically, many housemates are still bitter. Because Tasha is supposed to be topping the game because she was famous before she went to the house. So she's not even successful. That's to the best of my knowledge. Because she was the most famous person to go into that house. So she was even disqualified or not disqualified. She was supposed to come out even higher. She was supposed to even reach 2 million followers. How come? No, so nobody is even following Tasha. To the best of my knowledge. Because what she has now is just 700 and something followers. Minus the 361 she got out of twerking. Because that was twerk. She got it out of. That's the truth. So you people that are here fighting, stop fighting bluntly. Go back to your housemate and talk to her. You people are not productive. When people ask you who is Tasha, It's not an insult. If you ask me, who are you, Okoro Blessing, I'll tell you I'm the #1 relationship expert to best the first therapy lounge in Africa. And I'm going to tell you with very confidence, I'm a brand influencer. If I put your goods on my platform, people will buy. I can conveniently stand in front of the president and air my mind. I'm an intelligent woman. I'm an embodiment of experience. I'm a mother of 2. I'm a wife. I'm a sugar girl. I'm a baby mama. And I'm a girlfriend. I can conveniently tell you who Blessing Okoro is. My point is, nobody is hating on your so-called Thatcher because she's beginning to feel too relevant. I came across a video that she did, a live video. I don't know whether the bloggers put half of the video, because I understand bloggers now. Bloggers will always put the video that is exciting. But I don't know what the video was about. But what I saw was that she was saying she doesn't want to get angry. Whenever she's hot, she can be so hot. Whenever she's cold, and she can because she's cold. You know what I was telling myself? I wish I and Thatcher can sit down and clouds. The girl no go beat me when it comes to trolling people. I will make her suicidal. That's why I will go and drink poison. Because I want to insult her. I will bring out facts about her. The only thing you can talk about me on social media is Onyeze. She lied about house. Blessing CEO will divorce her husband. Those 2 things, that's the only thing you can talk about me. If you don't call Onyeze, you say Blessing CEO divorce her husband. Takam, bring any other thing about me, nothing. But Thatcher, I will bring out 101 dirty secrets about her. Facts. I will not even say rubbish. She should better respect herself. Before she went to Big Brother house, she did not have good name. She came out of Big Brother house, she did not still have good name. It's not time for her to sit down and tell myself, why don't I rebrand? Because this rebrand, they're not rebranding her. She's still the Thatcher she used to be, but somebody just telling her, don't talk. I can imagine how angry she used to be when she reads some comment on social media and she cannot talk. For her to do a live video to show you how she's boiling, how angry she is, how annoyed that she is, and all that. Nobody's hating on her. She's a nobody. I'm going to say it boldly to her face any day I see her. Now, we can't even meet one-on-one. I want hate common Thatcher. So it's not hate. It's not envy. There's nothing to envy about Thatcher. What endorsement? I put out a post this morning because every time I used to have a conversation with some of my friends, I used to say, God, I wish one of these people in Nigeria housemates would just walk up to all these politicians. All they need. You can walk up to Buhari as a Big Brother Nigeria housemate. You have power. But these people don't use their power. They use their power to clout on the social media. You can walk up to any office and tell them what you can
in
offer.
as much as say simply Tasha no answer her, but Okoro Blessing post for her Instagram page how simply Tasha today ungrateful, and then the Titans, because you know the Titans, like simply Tasha fans, they get or this kind of habit, say if anybody talk to simply Tasha, like do video about simply Tasha the way they know, like talk to simply Tasha the way they know, like they're coming after you. So she actually make video about them coming after her because she decided to say simply Tasha they ungrateful. The time when simply Tasha days Big Brother has, so many people stand by her. People like Aroma and even the Okoro Blessing, she post video on her Instagram page how she like simply Tasha and why she likes simply Tasha and why she want her friends to vote for simply Tasha, hoping say she go get at least thank you, like simple thank you go a long way, you understand, in as much as say simply Tasha on her own go get a lot for her plate at the moment, number one. And number two, it's possible say she no go know everybody will support her finish to go thank them. It's just like marriage, you understand, when you finish it's possible say you no go fit thank everybody will come your marriage finish, and maybe most people will feel offended, say after what I do for this girl marriage, she not even fit say thank you. It just be like that. It's possible say na the situation with simply Tasha dey. But my own where I can't see say simply Tasha get problem for the issue. And I know so I go bring her the way it be me. Now, if na marriage issue now, say you no remember the person and the person can't call your, that is, he can't talk you suppose notice, you understand, call your attention on the place when you be like say you no remember. You suppose notice and simply say sorry not be like this, I've been busy, or I no remember, or I no even know, like try to explain yourself and still drop simply thank you, and then drop video like that, like Instagram video. How many minutes they take? Some Instagram video now 1 minute, just 1 minute, except you want to go they do live and do long video. 1 minute you don't wish to settle the issue. But when Simply Tasha come out to say she not get time to reply, that is, she talk as if say she not get that time. She know if you want popular, you know go use am popular, come pay before she go answer you. Like, you know go use am take gain popularity.
If Tasha gets
Bad
reply me,
bitches.
no, boo, I'm most definitely not going to reply you because you're not worth it. I'm not going to give you free publicity. Now, if you want me to reply you and give you this publicity, then you should be paying me for it.
Girl, get
Pay
out.
me.
Pay you,
Pay
bitch.
me. Pay me. So, if you're not going to pay me, then best believe you're not going to get any reply from me. And like I said, you can seek this attention from any way you want to seek it, anywhere you want to seek it. But you're most definitely not going to get any reply from me. I will not waste.
And again, people when e be like say they use Simply Tasha, probably na because say people when that way she did for Big Brother house, I go give you 1 million, oh yeah, I go give you 2 million, oh yeah, I go give you this, I go give you that, oh. E be like say they use Simply Tasha for popularity that time. Probably that's the reason why she not agree they answer anybody, and thank you they not get on the way they hope. Even Aroma self, this team be affect she and Aroma, and then Tiana. And when the matter come, na so Simply Tasha fans as usual, the Titans they carry and say Tiana they shade Simply Tasha. It come be like say na Tiana now they spoil Aroma and Simply Tasha friendship. And meanwhile, you know say Aroma been promised Simply Tasha 50 million alongside many of them. When you be like say they just come Instagram and just in kind of make promise, and they no turn up, they no give her the money. She just in kind of day her lane. So in kind of, I don't know that they see they expect thank you join the promise where they promise and they no fulfill am. Just come outside on Instagram, make promise, and then you know fulfill am. Probably that's why she pinch one side. But the thing affect even people when you be like say people when no promise, and like people when no get anything to do with 10 million, this million, that million. They just use their phones and then their followers to support Simply Tasha. Now all those people now deserve the thank you where they no get from Simply Tasha. That is the fact. That is the truth. Because people will come outside just compromise. They just come outside compromise. It's possible say most of all those people say they don't even get that kind of much followers when you be like say they want send to come bail you out from hot seat and then vote for you and stuff like that. Now people will know they do 1 million, 10 million kind of vote safe. Even the Aroma safe on my own deserve better thank you. Apart from say she come last promise Simply Tasha money, no be say she even kind of promise, and she just say this na 50 million, make Simply Tasha come house. As he say this na 50 million, make Simply Tasha come home, he come be like say come house, come take the money, which she never said. Like Aroma really not talking about the way she take put the money down and say Simply Tasha come home. It can't be like say if she come you go carry the money kind of give her. But apart from that money side from Aroma don't they vote for her, and her followers don't they vote for her before. That is Simply Tasha. They don't they vote for Simply Tasha before the last day when it be like say they don't evict her. That is they don't disqualify her come up for the house where Aroma money can enter. Before that time, Aroma don't they vote for her. Like people don't they vote for her. So simply thank you for Instagram. In as much as say yes, she actually say some thank you, but like thank you no go comot anything for her body. But when she come online, she talk as if say blessing. In as much as say blessing Okoro, the way she dey talk like she don dey the thing don dey boil her. You know when person dey vex, if you want bring her out, you no go come like to even hear and the way you want to talk her. Because blessing Okoro talk the way be like say if Big Brother no, if they remove Big Brother for Simply Tasha life, Simply Tasha na just ordinary person. Like if they, I believe say if they remove Big Brother from Simply Tasha life, she still be the hustling Simply Tasha where she be before. She be the hustling Simply Tasha where they hustle before Big Brother come pull her and boom, the whole thing come be like bread and butter or bread and peanut butter, anyone. You see So even if they remove Big Brother for Simply Tasha life, she no win, not be she be the winner. If they remove Big Brother from Simply Tasha life, Simply Tasha still be the hustling Simply Tasha. And when she come make that statement, you know, Titans now, they come after her and say, you, if they remove that your phone, that your Android phone for me on hand, who you be? So the thing I believe say people wey dey ask for thank you actually honestly deserve thank you, because you no go more pass road and then the road close. You wey you pass am, you don pass am, is okay for you. What about people wey wan pass am? This na the question. What about people wey wan pass am? Big Brother don end? Of course not. If una dey enter, then people go back you up, support you, tell their fans to vote for you, then they'll come out. Thank you, go hard you to tell them. If another person need that particular help, how they go want to help am? Because they no go dey help because in a Big Brother. You know they work like that. Maybe they pick likeness for another person and the person don't need the help. People no go help am because go feel say, nah, they don't need the help now. If I can't help her now, if he come out, he go remember me. Come out, thank you, go talk. He go make people now go they stingy that help. They no go even they want they pull hand for the tea. In as much as say I don't even know what the Big Brother they even do. But anyhow, if person need that help, it go dey hard now for person to dey help am, because he go feel say if he come out, that one when he be like say I help. When he come out, he tell me thank you. I beg him, make they carry their cross. Every matter with his own kettle. You go see say you don't pass road. You don't close the road, but you don't know anybody will want pass now. That road go dey difficult for the person to pass. Simply thank you for some kind things. You know go change anything. After all, these people actually vote for you, not be them make Simply Tasha not win. To say Simply Tasha dey for the house, reach the ending, I believe say na she for take this messy position. Definitely na she for win. The people actually vote for her and the people back am up the way they suppose. Not be only her Titans then I back am up. Like, let's be serious. Her Titans not only them back am up. Not only people waiting for the Titans now her friends then I back am up. Not be only then I back am up. People there when it be like say back am up. Even this Okoro Blessing now, so where they talk, in as much as say she they talk and wrongly, she can't they bring her as insult. She know they bring her as see where the team be. Why you no do like this? You understand? Than if they remove Big Brother for your life, you are nothing. In kind of bringing out as if saying an insult. Like Okoro Blessing no position the matter where, or you know present her case where, but you know me say she did totally wrong. And at the end of the day, Simply Tasha decide to address the matter. When she won't address the matter now, she say she don't tire for people where they say she dey ungrateful. Like you want talk, you say ungrateful. May una dey creative, like make they find another thing instead of ungrateful. Now the place where they pain person, now you go talk. If person do something for you, you no appreciate, and that na the only way where person go feel say you dey ungrateful. But if person do something for you, you appreciate am. Definitely there are another talk where they want talk about you go different. He definitely go different. But if they do something for you, you know they appreciate am. Not be only Okoro Blessing and the ones where don't they say ungrateful you go to get more people coming out with that kind of name, and it not dey nice, because even though you feel say you don't arrive, if ungrateful name for person go they make the rest people they drop body, they go they shift from the person. Now the friends that way you get now you get, and the friends where you get now, if not 10 today, maybe next year if it be 9. The other month if it be 8, like that, you go see say you know will get anybody because of that ungrateful name or ungrateful tag where you carry. This now what I get to talk. Now I dey expect the Titans to come now. You now come blast them as usual. But if you now sit down and reason, I'm not gonna say me. I not lie. I talk am the way it be. Anyhow it be. I will soon have my next video. Follow me for my Instagram if you get any question to ask me. And my Instagram name now the same name with this my YouTube channel. I will catch you later. Now bye bye.
Lulu Store. Let me pick Lulu Store. Let's hear what Lulu Store has to say. Lulu Store, I have accepted your request. Come online. Lulu, come online. Oh, Blessing, what's up now? Yes, how are you now?
all the chest. Why all the chest? We are Thatcher fans, so but we don't accept insulting Thatcher. It's not fair. It doesn't make sense. It's not cool. It doesn't make sense. Honestly, you accept people come outside to insult you. It's not going to make sense. We don't want to know. We love Thatcher. Leave Thatcher alone. Leave her baby girl alone. Leave her alone. Thatcher didn't do anything for you.
Can I ask you a question?
Be blessing. Face the fans.
Can I ask you a question?
You're having problems with. You are having problems with the fans and not Thatcher. Stop.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Who is Thatcher?
I'm listening to you.
Who is Thatcher?
She's a human being like you, blessing. A human being like you. She's a human being, blessing. Let me tell you, the fact that you have issues with her fans is a different case entirely.
Yes.
Yes, we're listening.
You guys can't even define who Thatcher. Who is Thatcher? Thatcher is a human
Why would
being.
you say we should define? Oh, blessing, who are you?
My name is. I'm a relationship expert.
You are what?
A relationship expert.
Relationship. You've not helped anybody's relationship, but I noticed.
Then that means that means
relationship. Listen, you don't help relationships, so you don't help relationships. I can't come to you for relationship advice because why? You won't do anything reasonable to my life. Listen to me. Tasha did not do you wrong. If she did you wrong, fine. But the fact that you are taking it upon...
Why are you guys always fighting? You people are always fighting.
Does not
Why?
make any sense.
And how come?
Are you listening to yourself? Have you been listening to... Insulting Thatcher does not make sense.
Hi guys, I just proved myself right now. I just asked them who is Thatcher, and 3 grown women just told me that Thatcher is a human being. What the fuck? Do you now agree with me that her fans are daft? Who is Thatcher? Thatcher is a human being. Can somebody tell me who Linda Ikeji is? Linda Ikeji is a blogger. Can somebody tell me who Mercy Johnson is? Mercy Johnson is an actress. Can somebody tell me who Mo Abudu is? Mo Abudu is a guru when it comes to TV presenting. Can somebody tell me who can I call? Who Buhari is? Buhari is a president. These people cannot even define who Thatcher is. Her fans are so useless. With this few point of mind, I hope 3 grown women could not define the woman that they are fighting for. Kai! This country is messed up. Kai! You guys could not even define who your favorite is. None of them even said Thatcher is an entrepreneur. None of them even said Thatcher is an ex-Big Brother Ninja housemate. Nobody even said Thatcher is a Syria. All of you are daft. The only thing you said is Thatcher is a human being. You people are idiots. Go and learn. You people are stupid as Thatcher. When somebody says you are stupid, it's not an insult. It simply means you don't have sense. 3 grown women came on a live video and made a fool of themselves. How come you guys, Thatcher fans, don't have intellectual? The only thing you could tell me is that Thatcher is a human being. When people ask you who are you, it's not an insult. A lot of you don't even know who you are. You cannot ask Linda Ikeji who are you and she'll tell you I'm a human being. Linda Ikeji is a blogger. You cannot ask Instablog who I am and say I'm a human being. You can't even define your favorite. Hey! Hey! Olodora Pata! Idiot. I just gave you a spoon now. Thatcher is an entrepreneur. Idiot. It's not me that said it now. Lazy people. Mother. That's the only thing you people are good at. Insulting people. But you people are not intelligent. That's all. The Thatcher's fans, I think I'm going to leave you guys now. You guys need to work on your brains. A lot of people who follow Thatcher don't have sense. And that's why I will follow
It's really getting boring when people still go on talking about you being ungrateful. I mean, it's really getting boring. I don't know if it's getting boring for you guys, but yeah, but it's really getting boring for me. Like, can you people just get creative already? Can you people get creative already? It's like everybody has something to say, and okay, yeah, okay, I have something to say about Tasha. What should I now say? Oh yeah, I know. I'm going to say she's ungrateful. It's boring. Like me myself, I'm even tired of seeing it on blogs. Can you like just get creative? I mean, say something else rather than say she's ungrateful. I mean, what exactly do you people want? Do you yeah. Yeah, like what exactly do you people want? Do you like want my blood or something? I really need to know, man. It's getting really confusing, because at this point, like, I'm not getting it. What exactly do people want? What? Every day is like, oh, Tasha is ungrateful, Tasha is ungrateful. Like you say what you know people would fall for, but now it's like, okay, yeah, fine, quite alright. And like I did earlier, did say, it's boring already. Can y'all just come up with something new? Can y'all just come up with something new, please? Tasha's ungrateful is boring up. Come up with something. And y'all already know this, yeah. Everybody has the right to say whatever they want to say. I mean, it's social media, yeah. So you're free to tweet. You're free to comment and stuff. Yeah, it's okay. It's your phone. It's your data. I get. Has their phones. Everybody has Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So yeah, you can say whatever you want to say. You can comment on whatever you want to comment on. Blah blah blah. But y'all need to get this right. Me myself, I'm not going to reply to a nobody. I'm literally not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So you can try to seek for my attention any type of way you